friends! Today, we're going deep underground to learn about 20 amazing mining vehicles. These big, strong machines help us dig, carry, and move rocks and minerals. Let's go! Giant bucket wheel excavator. Wow! This is one of the biggest machines on Earth! It digs up tons of dirt with its giant spinning wheel. Haul truck. Haul trucks are huge! They carry tons of rocks from the mine to the crusher. Rock breaker. When big rocks get in the way, this machine breaks them into smaller pieces. Crushing machine. This machine crushes big rocks into small pieces. That makes them easier to carry and use. Excavator. This big machine digs deep holes with its long arm and bucket. It's super strong. Dump truck. Dump trucks carry rocks and dirt. When it's full, the back goes up and dumps everything out. Bulldozer. A bulldozer pushes heavy dirt and rocks with its big metal blade in the front. Drilling machine. This machine makes deep holes in the ground to find gold, coal, or other minerals. Loader. A loader picks up rocks and puts them into trucks. It has a big bucket in the front. Grader. This one makes the ground smooth and flat so other trucks can drive safely. Continuous miner. This cool machine cuts coal and other minerals from the mine walls. It never stops. Shuttle car. A shuttle car carries coal from the miner to the conveyor belt. It's like a mining taxi. Conveyor belt system. These are long belts that move rocks and coal out of the mine. They're like moving sidewalks. Water truck. This truck sprays water to stop dust in the air. It helps everyone breathe better. Wheel tractor scraper. This machine cuts, lifts, and moves soil to new places. It's great for big mining sites. Underground loader, LHD. This small but strong loader works deep underground where space is tight. Mining dozer. Mining dozers are extra strong bulldozers that move heavy piles of rock. Roof bolter. In underground mines, this machine puts bolts in the roof to keep it safe from falling. Electric rope shovel. This huge shovel uses electricity to scoop up tons of rocks in one go. Articulated dump truck. This truck bends in the middle, so it can turn easily on rough, bumpy ground. Wow! Mining machines are so powerful and helpful. Which one was your favorite? Thanks for watching, and keep learning every day. Bye, friends!